Hey everyone, welcome to the second video in Android tutorial series. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple Hello World program and setting up the emulator for running the program that you created. So after the installation of ADT bundle, open up Eclipse. So this is how your blank Eclipse would look. If this is your first time you're opening this Eclipse, you have to set the workspace where your files are going to be stored. So let's get started. First go to File, New, Android application project, and this is going to be your application name. So let it be Hello World, and project name, usually the project name would be same as the application name without any space between them. And the package name is going to be the reverse domain name, that is com dot something dot hello world. This usually will be unique for every application. So let me take this, and minimum required SDK is the lowest Android version that could run the application that you are creating now. Target SDK is what you are targeting. Compile with is the API that you are going to use in the program now. You have a handful of themes that you can choose for your application. I'm going to leave it with Holo Light with dark action bar. Hit next. You can choose your workspace here, or leave it in the default workspace. Hit next. This will be your icon for your application. Android default provides your icon for your application like this one, or you can choose your own icon from here, or choose a clip art, choose any clip art that is defaultly come with your Android device, or choose any text. You can write it and whatever you need. I'm gonna leave it with this image. By adjusting the padding, you can make your icon big or small based on the outline of your icon size. You can make it center or choose the shape. I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to leave it as default and hit next. This is your application activity. This is going to be a simple hello world application. Let it be in blank activity. Hit next. In this screen you are going to get the activity name or the layout name. You can edit them if you want. I'm going to leave it as it is. The navigation type, you can choose any of the navigation type that you get with Android. You can choose the one which best suits for your Android application. I'm going to leave it with none. Hit finish. Next thing what you are going to do is create an Android emulator. Let me show you how to create that one. Go to the top, open Android Virtual Device Manager. This is where you are going to create a virtual Android device. Hit new. Give your emulator name. Let it be Android. And choose a device from this list, and your emulator is going to look like the device in this list. And I'm going to choose the smallest screen is 2.7 inch. This is the target API that you're building your application for. Next thing, I don't need a camera. This is the amount of RAM you are going to give your device. Let me change this to 750. Internal storage 200 MB, and I don't really need an SD card. Snapshot. I highly recommend you to use the snapshot option, as this will save you a lot of time by saving a snapshot in your hard drive and retrieving it that, so that you don't need to wait for the device to boot. Hit OK. So the Android device is created. Now you have to start the device. Hit launch. So this is your emulator. Wait for the Android device to boot, and it would take around 5 to 10 minutes to boot based on your system performance. And now our Android device has started up. Unlock it and hit OK. So we are ready to run our program. Hit run. While the application is loading, you can see the options running here in the console. Installing Hello World success. And yes, the application has started. So you have successfully created the Hello World application. See you in the next video.